Alright, hello everyone, this is Mr. Crozier. I'm going to go over the constructions again today. First one is constructing a 60-degree angle. Well, first step is to draw a ray with a point. And then after you do that, you're going to want to get your protractor out, open it up to any distance. I recommend you hold the compass down here and just turn your paper and draw this arc that comes this way. And now without changing your compass, you're going to come to this point here that we've created. We have this new point here, and we're going to come here and make this a little arc up here. And now these points are perfectly, or these rays are perfectly 60 degrees apart. You can put a compass on there or a protractor on there and check it, but yeah, it's perfect 60 degrees. So make sure you mark it 60 degrees. All right, bisecting an angle. Well, let's do an angle, any angle we want to. I'm going to do this angle here. Make sure you're putting arrows, and I like to put points here. We're going to draw a line down the middle that's perfectly in the middle. So I'm going to take my compass to any length, make sure this is right in the center, and I'm going to draw this arc. Now without changing my compass, I'm going to come up here from this point, draw another little arc, and come over here, this one, draw another arc without changing it, and now we've created this point, and this point perfectly bisects it in half. And it works on obtuse angles too. If I have this obtuse angle here, and I have this point here, if I decide to draw this arc, which looks like this, and now I'm going to come over here, and from this point, I'm going to make a mark this way. And from this one, without changing it, whenever you go to a different one, you don't want to change your compass. I'm going to draw that. Now this point's on the middle, but it is still a perfect bisected angle. Whatever this angle is, this one. So this one is about, let's see here, 73 degrees, let's call it. 73 degrees, 73 degrees. This one down here, if I call this one, let's see, about 30 degrees. This one here is also 30 degrees. All right, last construction we have to do is the distance from a point to a line. So we're going to draw a line. There's a line. Going to draw a point anywhere you want to. There's a point, and we're going to figure out how far this line is from the point, straight there. Not this way, but straight there. But we're not going to guess where it is. We're going to draw it with a construction. So take your compass, line it up, extend it past it. So you draw this arc here. Kind of looks like the sun going up on the horizon. And now what we're going to do is go from both of these points. We're going to draw another arc. And again, the key is don't change the distance. So I'm going to draw this arc here. From this circle up this way, come over here from this circle up this way, and now what that does is it gives me this point right here, and there's that perfect perpendicular distance. If I were to continue this line, it would go out there. Now if you have highlighters or something, when you're done with this, what you can do is you can go back over your drawing, and there's my line. There's my perpendicular distance, and two markings that we can put on this one is, first, it is a right angle, and second, we've found the midpoint of this line. This section is equal to that section. Now the construction was the distance, so I'm going to measure this distance. This is 1, 2, exactly 3. Well, maybe if I move it there, looks like it's just a little bit past 3, so I'm going to call this 3.1 centimeters. And those are the markings you need on here. They are congruent, they are a right angle, and this. So make sure you have all of that on there. All right, hope this helps.